Hello, guys. Hope we are all doing well, fine, and wonderful. In this video or tutorial, we are learning how to select your ringtone on both. Recently, both has introduced a new way of selecting our ringtone. Unlike first, we only have one option, one ringtone. But now they have different ringtones that one can select and use depending on your preference. So you have to head to the settings. Then you go to app settings. After that, you see sound settings. You tap on the sound settings. Over there, you can adjust your volume. You can even turn it off. So let's turn it on and adjust. Then you adjust, not allow. So you have to allow it in your settings. Then you come back. You can see both disturbance is allowed. Then you come back to adjust your volume. You can adjust it to 100%. Then down here, you select your prefer sound. So let's tap on the bell and see. The bell is the old or the normal ringtone we know. Kalimba.